Hi and welcome to 2025, when the old way of how we used to create listing description is over and was taken over by an AI. With EasyChannel you can optimize all of your listings descriptions in one click for free today. Let's jump into it. So first, let's visit EasyChannel website and click on the Get Started for Free, sign up, or if you have account, log in. And I will quickly log into my account. Okay, so once we are in, let's head to the products catalog. And then let's take a look at this Shopify product. As you can see, this Shopify product is really not optimized, look very simple, even the description is not even engaging or SEO optimized. But it's time to change it. Let's click on the product in bulk actions, and as you can see in our bulk action menu, you have many useful features such as price updates, inventory update. Now in this menu, let's select the AI action section. As you can see, I click here and select the length and the destination of my description. In this case, it will be long description because I want to do it in Shopify. And I will keep it in English. If you want to add in the language, you can do this as well, and this will translate your listing description to another language. More on this you can learn on the video in the description below. Alright, so we click to proceed with the action, and here we have the AI action approval section, where you can see all the changes that the AI suggested. Now we can see here is the product, here is the old description, and here is the new, longer and much optimized description. If we are happy for the results, all we have is to toggle on Apply Changes and click on the blue button of Apply Changes. Once the system finishes, you can see the changes apply now to Shopify, and now your product description is fully optimized. If you like this, you can run a bulk action across all of your products on your store and then update the description and optimize them, and it's also working on other channels such as Etsy, eBay, Amazon and more. Don't forget to give a like and subscribe to stay updated on everything that we do here in EasyChannel, where we make multi-channel e-commerce easy.